Hi beauty pies, and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I straighten my hair in the shortest amount of time possible. I have not straightened my hair in years simply because I prefer to put waves or curls in my hair. I just feel like it suits my face better. However, when you're short on time, there's just no better way to do your hair than to straighten your hair. Definitely takes me at least double, if not more, the time to curl my hair than it does to straighten. So I recently purchased a straightener and I've been able to get a method to straighten my hair that has made me really start loving straightening my hair simply because I still have the shine and the volume. I do not like using a lot of products in my hair. The primary reason is because my hair gets weighed down very easily by products. I link a video here that I did on my channel, how to get volume in your hair without using heat or products. And so this particular tutorial, you do have to use heat and you do have to use products. And that's because when you're straightening your hair, it's really hard to get away with not using any products. When your hair is straight, you can really see the condition of your hair shaft, and using a straightener definitely requires a lot more direct heat to your hair, so you want to make sure it's protected. But I think this is as minimal as you can get when it comes to heat and products. So I really wanted to share with you my routine. So if you would like to see how I get my hair straightened, please keep watching. The key to this look and getting the volume without using too much heat is to prepare your hair the night before, which means you want to wash your hair the night before. The reason for that is you want to air dry your hair, and then I will use a claw clip like this one in my hair to tie up my hair, and I let my hair air dry with the claw clip. So that is how I end up with this type of volume. As you can see though, because it was air dried, it doesn't have any shape whatsoever, which is what we have to fix. I'm just gonna twirl and show you how unshapely my hair is. So if you wake up in the morning and your hair is a mess, you know, it's okay. Like, that's part of the process with air drying. That's the downside of air drying, but I'm gonna show you that you can recover from that, especially when you're using a straightener. If you wait till the morning of to wash and dry your hair, you're gonna be using a lot more heat and you're gonna be doing it faster, and your hair is gonna be drier. It's gonna look drier, and so the minimal products that we're using is probably not going to be enough. You're probably going to want to do like another shine spray, maybe another even volumizing spray. So that's why the key to making this look easy is really washing your hair the night before so that it can air dry slowly, which is going to make your hair shaft a lot softer. The cuticles going to be softer, so you're going to have more shine and more manageability with your hair. So the first thing I'm doing for heat protectant, I'm going to be using this B&B Hairdresser's oil. If you just look at the bottle, it looks like a thick lotion, but it sprays out with like a watery formula, so you know that this is a very conditioning formula. So instead of spraying it directly onto my hair, I'm going to actually spray it into my hand first. So I spray about 4 times. Okay, so I apply that to my hair. I am also going to apply some of this Kerastase Elixir Ultime. I've talked about this a lot on my channel before. I've been using this product for years. I love this because it never makes your hair look oily no matter how much of it you put in. And it adds like a really nice shine. Now I'm taking a brush and I'm gonna comb this through because you wanna make sure that the products are evenly distributed throughout your hair. I'm using this brush by the brand Wet. I'm going to part my hair into 2 sections. I'm going to start at the bottom and just start brushing it out. Starting at the bottom because if there's any tangles, it's going to be easier to brush through my hair than if I were to start at the top. So I'm going to just brush all of this through my hair. Once I've brushed through the ends of my hair, like from the mid shaft to the ends, I'm going to brush it through onto my scalp as well. So you can see already those products like really kind of straightened out my hair on its own. Now we're going to straighten the hair. I like to divide my hair into 2 sections like this using the claw clip, and then I will start straightening the bottom, which really doesn't need too much straightening. My hair is wavy, but the bottom half of my hair is definitely not as wavy as the top section. This straightening iron is a 1-inch single pass curling or straightening iron by the brand T3. So as you can see, this hair here, it's not too bad. but I still want to straighten that. Take that section of hair and straighten. I did tilt the iron toward the end to get a little bit of a curl, which even though I straighten my hair, I do like the ends to be curled in. There's 4 heat settings on this. I have it on the heat setting between the 2nd and 3rd heat setting. I have tried the lower heat settings, and even though it does straighten my hair, it doesn't do it fast enough, and it's just like, what's the point if it's gonna take me that long to straighten my hair? So the rest of my hair is in the back. It's not really that visible, and it's pretty straight, so I didn't section the rest of it. So I'm going to do the same with this side. I'm just taking the front section, which tends to be the most visible, and I'm going to run this through it. So running through it, and then curving at the edge. And that's it. I'm done with the bottom part of my hair. So before I pull down the rest of the hair I had on top, I'm just going to push this hair to the back. And at this point, I'm going to take the section from the back first, and I am starting up high at the roots since I have those crinkles up there. After that, I'm not taking precise sections, I'm just taking small sections at a time and running it through. And that is it. So you see how quickly that straightened my hair, and it's just so bouncy and shiny. And you can see to here how quickly we fixed this problem. Again, if I have a problem area, I will take that section separately. Like that. Straight. I do have a cowlick in the back of my head, so there's only so much I can do to fix that. And now I'm really not sectioning off my hair anymore because it's not really that curly or wavy. Okay, so I'm pretty much done. I could probably spend another 5 minutes on my hair and perfect every area of it, but again, we're not going for perfection, we're going for a nice hairstyle in the shortest amount of time possible. My hair feels so extremely soft to the touch. I do think it's a combination of the products that I use as well as this straightener. This is a really great straightener. I do have some of these baby hairs here, but what I do is usually take some like brow gel and just kind of put it back, or you could use hairspray. I find that brow gel lasts longer. Sometimes the layers in the front of my hair will just come like into my face a lot, and if you have that problem, what you can do is take those front layers, pull that hair back, and then just run the straightener back like this. This is typically what I have to do with the front layers just to get it to stay back. Also see sometimes it leaves like a little bit of a bend here, which also helps it stay in place and stay back away from my face. So this is what the back looks like. So we fixed the problem area pretty well, and we still have luster, shine, and volume. So that's all for this video. This is my current hair straightening routine. I hope you were able to pick up some tips and tricks from it. I'll list all the products and the straightener that I used in the description box below. Please comment and let me know if you have any questions about what I did, if I skipped any steps that you're curious about. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.